Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check your PC specs in just a few simple steps. First, click the search bar at the bottom of your screen. Type System Information and click on it when it appears. The System Information window will open. Here, you can scroll down to see details about your PC. For example, you can see your processor. Mine shows Intel R Core TM i5 CPU. To check your graphics card, come to the left, expand Components, and click Display. You'll see your graphics card listed at the top. For example, mine shows AMD Radeon HD 7000 series. Another way to check your specs is by clicking the search bar again and typing About your PC. Here, you'll find information about your processor, installed RAM, and other system details. And that's it. How to check your PC specs. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.